Alrighty, back again. Mad Tiki here. Right, we have just sorted our load onto our power supply, our test power supply. Whoops, got to plug this guy in here. This is a 240 volt feed. Okay, so that's ready to go. And we've got our test load there. Now, so things don't get out of control, we basically have two 100 watt light bulbs in parallel, which are in series with the power supply. Which means that if some little part on the power supply decides to go short circuit, we are not going to blow tracks off the board or anything stupid like that. Okay, I better be a little bit careful with this because I'm going to put down the camera just so I don't electrocute myself. This is very interesting. Notice the light bulbs are up and running. That's indicating a short circuit condition somewhere in the system. The light on the hard drive came up momentarily, and basically, yeah. So I'm going to have to go to the schematics and take some readings and hopefully figure out what's causing this. I might disconnect the what would you call it? It's the backlight driver part of this power supply, and see if the normal side of the power supply still functions correctly. Alright, I'll keep you informed. Mad